Elmo, come here. Come here. Hello. It's a good boy. Yay. It's beautiful white snow over there and then beautiful mud down here. Daniel's trying to call him because he's got a snowball in his hand. Elmo's not that daft. Wow, it's foggy and cold, very cold. Elmo found a stick. Oh, good boy. Oh, Elmo, what about my beautiful white dog pictures in the snow? Oh, and brilliant angle. Elmo. Hands off. I don't think it landed there. Oh. What about a different one then? Elmo! Elmo! Come on, come get it. You ready? Ready, good boy, and go! It's right there. Yeah, I think that's it. Good boy! Oh, I would have fallen over that.
I've got a stick.
He just walked over it.
Elmo!
He's got it.
Yay!
He's enjoying the stick then.
He's like, my stick's better.
Don't throw it at the dog. You've compacted it down so it's like a great big ball of ice.
I want to try.
Every tree.
Daniel.
What's he doing?
Yeah, throw it then, he's waiting.
Here come people.
Am I ready? 3, 2, 1.
He has a stick.
Run away.
There are people coming. People! People from the outside. Ooh. Bit of Toy Story. Why not? Oh, it's disgusting. That.
Looks like a big pig.
It's really not cool. It's brown. It's one dirty snowman thing.
Daniel, come on.
Just a sec. We're not gonna just do some. I just need to make his head.
on, Dan, there's people coming. Two more stones. It looks a bit like that one out of Star Wars. Do you know which one I mean? That rolls.
Yeah.
If you tell him that, maybe he'll accept it's done. Oh. Those aren't stones.
Got some fine cones.
Pointy eyes. It's when Elmo goes and takes a big chunk out of it. Munch it down. Bonding without me.
Almost disappeared.
Fat penguin. Wait, has it got one of his eyes down there? Is it falling down?
No.
I think it's like having...
Got one or two.
That's his eye, and that's his eye. And that's his mouth, and that's his nose.
Oh!